everyone. My name is Danielle McClure and I'm the dietitian with the Finley Ewing Fitness Center. And today we're going to do a short cooking demonstration of mini breakfast casseroles. I love this recipe. It's super versatile. It's packed full of veggies, lean meats, and cheese. You can switch any of those ingredients in and out. There's similar recipes all over the web. Another great thing about this particular type of recipe is that you can freeze it and reheat. So today we're going to be making actually 24 servings that will freeze and reheat, which I'll discuss at the end of the video. So starting out with our ingredients, you of course need eggs. We'll be using milk, spinach today, a zucchini and a squash, it's just small to medium size. We'll use about half of an onion, a cup of corn, you can use canned, cheese, and for the meat I chose peppered turkey. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is preheat your oven to 375 degrees. You'll spray your muffin tins with Pam or cooking spray or line them with oil. And then we're going to chop up all the veggies first thing. Alright, so we just finished up prepping the vegetables and the meat. We are going to add the cheese at the end, so keep the cheese to the side. Next up, we're going to make the egg mixture. Today I'm going to use 10 medium eggs, but if you have large eggs, you can use 6 to 8. We're going to go ahead and whisk that together with whole milk. I'm going to use 1 cup. If you're looking for healthy subs, you can sub your milk out with Greek yogurt. You can also do half and half full eggs versus egg whites, which will reduce some of the calories. So we'll start this now. But we're going to stick with milk today and full eggs. So 1 cup of milk. And 10 eggs. So very important thing, anytime you are working with eggs or chicken, you should stop and wash your hands immediately when you're done so that you reduce the risk of spreading salmonella. And 10. Alright, so our eggs are mixed. We're going to go ahead and pour the eggs into the veggie and meat mix and then toss that up. I actually am going to use salad tongs to do this, salad mixing utensils. The last step, we're actually going to scoop the mixture out into the muffin pan. You should fill it about halfway because it will fluff up when you cook it. And then we're going to put 1 piece of cheese on top of each scoop that we do. So I'm going to use a measuring cup because these are nice and chunky. It's a little too full. That'll be okay. A little less in the next one. Just to show you, take the cheese and we'll just set a slice on top. Here is your finished product. In the end, we made about 36 of these. We baked them at 375 for about 20 minutes. To check them, you'll insert a fork or knife, and when it comes out clean, you're done. A serving size for this recipe is 2 quiches. That's about 120 calories. It's a great quick breakfast. You can pair it with something whole grain toast, whole grain crackers, something like that, or a piece of fruit. When you want to freeze these, so typically these recipes make a lot of product. You'll freeze them for a few hours. When you want to reheat them, you actually just wrap them in a wet paper towel while they're frozen, or damp paper towel, and you reheat them for about 1 minute and 50 seconds. So super quick, healthy, protein-packed, overall great recipe.